achieve communication between the third-party Modbus controller and the Segen devices through FE wiring, please connect the FE cable to one of the RJ45 ports of the Segen device. For the location of RJ45 ports, please see the right side. In case a switch or router is used, after connecting the FE cable to the switch or router, also connect the Segen device to the same switch or router. Step 2. Set Modbus TCP serve enabled. Click Device and select the device that needs to be set up. Click Settings. Set the Modbus TCP server enable button to the enabled state. Click Save to save the changes. Step 3. Set Modbus native slave address. In case of controlling multiple Segen devices, a different slave address needs to be assigned to each device. Click Settings of each device and set the Modbus native slave address to a different value. Step 4. View the device IP. Installers may need to input the IP address of the Segen device into the third-party controller. Click Connectivity in the setting page of the device with the Modbus TCP server enabled. Click Ethernet and check the IP. Step 5. Set static IP, optional. Please connect the device to WLAN or cellular if you need to set a static IP. Click Ethernet and turn off the Obtain IP address automatically. Set the static IP address manually. Step 6. Set remote EMS mode. This step is required if you wish to adjust the power of the Segen device via the third-party controller. If you only need to monitor data via third-party controller, please skip this step. On the system page, click the icon. Click System Settings. Click Operational Mode. Switch to the Remote EMS mode and click Save Changes to save the settings.